The area you see behind you is known as Assynt, found here in northwest Highlands of Scotland. It's got an interesting landscape, an interesting history when it comes to geology. You've got your oldest rocks at the bottom, your Lucerne gneiss at one point nearly melted. They used to be granodiorite and have been buried at depths up to 50 kilometres, are up to 3 billion years old. On top of this you have your Torridonian sandstones, which were deposited 1,000 million years ago. They have no fossils in them because back then there was no fossils, there was no life. It was only basic life, right? Those were deposited by braided rivers across big massive channels, right? Big massive floodplains just deposited all this sandstone, and that's where your Torridonian sandstone came from. On top of this you have your Cambrian quartzite, which was deposited originally on white sandy beaches. It's very, very beautiful rock to look at, and this has been baked slightly and turned into a quartzite over geological time. Now the interesting thing about Scotland, especially in the Northwest Highlands, is you can come here and study what's happened inside a mountain belt, because these layers are out of place in certain areas and they've been buckled and thrust upon each other, and you find the oldest rocks on top of your younger ones, which don't make sense. Geologists back in the day came here and thought, what the hell's going on? Why does this look like this? There must be greater forces that have caused this landscape to form behind us. And of course the most recent thing to affect our landscape has been the Ice Age, the glaciers and ice sheets that once swept this country and covered this country and cut out what we can see today.